Today we will see robot face. How to draw robot face in Pictoblox interface. So we go through the Pictoblox interface and start coding for robot face. So by default we have Toby as a sprite and its default size is 100. So we reduce the size of our sprite to 25 and press enter. Then I go to event and I say when green flag is clicked. Why I require green flag? So that I can execute my program. Without green flag, can we execute? No. Then I want to add an extension. Why I require an extension? I require clean slate. Like say suppose I want to draw something. So before drawing, I require clean slate. So I need to add an extension. Go to the bottom, click on plus sign, add an extension and search for a pen. Click on pen. Then I say erase all. Then I go to motions and I say x and y axis 0. Why I say x and y axis 0? So that I want to keep my sprite in the center of the stage. And I say point in direction 90. Go to pen and say pen up. Again go to motions and I say x and y axis. So give a specific x and y axis. Why? I need to draw something. Okay. So I need my Toby to move. That's the reason I put pen up. Okay. So if I put pen up, he will not draw. He will just move. So I have to specify x and y axis. So x axis I will say minus 92. Why I say minus 92? My Toby is in the center of the stage, right? Horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis. Towards the left it is minus, towards the right it is positive. So same thing, upwards it's positive, at the bottom it's negative. Okay, so I need to move my Toby towards the left. So I say minus 92 and y-axis I will give 14. So let it go slightly up and move towards left, that is minus 92. Okay, so x-axis I say minus 92, y-axis I say 14. So again I go to pen and I say erase all. I will put a clean slate here, pen up, pen down. Okay, now I require to create a block. So I go to my blocks and I say make a block and I give a name shape. Add an input. I say size. Again add an input. I say count. Again angle. So basically I have three inputs: size, count, angle, and I say okay. Now I go to control and I say if and else. So I go to the operator and I search for equal to if count equal to 0, then it should move 10 steps. So I don't want to specify 10, I will say size. Okay, then turn 90 degrees. I don't want to give 90 because I need to draw a square, right? First thing, the outer portion of the robot. So 90 degrees, no? The angles are 90 degrees of a square. So I don't want to specify 90 degrees. So I will put a operator. I go to the operator and I say divide by. So I say 360 divided by angle. Okay, 360 divided by angle. Say suppose I give an angle 4. So 360 divided by 4 will be 90. Same thing. Say suppose I want a triangle. Okay, so I say 360 divided by angle. That is, how many sides the triangle has? 3 sides. So 360 divided by 3 is 120. Like that. So I go to my blocks and I call my block. Okay, and I say size. Give a operator minus sign. Yes, I say count minus 1 and bring the angle down. And I'll close the script. Okay, I will close the script and I'll say I will give a size 150 for the square. Okay, I will give a size 150 count is 4 and angle is 4. A square is having 4 angles and 4 sides, that is the count. So I will run the program and see if I can draw a square. So it should move towards the negative. Look at my sprite, it should move towards the negative and draw a square. So I will run the program and see. Yes, perfect, square is drawn. Then I require to draw small eyes, so I require 2 small squares. So I will code for it. So I will say pen up, go to pen and I say pen up. Okay, and I go to motions. Why I say pen up? Otherwise it will draw from this point. Can you see the sprite? It will draw from here to here one line and then it will draw square. We will see to it. Okay, then I say x and y axis. Okay, so it is minus 92, so I want it slightly inside, so I will say minus 73. X axis minus 73 and y axis I will say 125. Okay, and I say pen down, go to pen and I say pen down and I will bring my block. So I will say size 20. Okay, square again 4 count and angles are 4. I will draw. Yes, can you see? Yes, say suppose I don't have this pen up. Okay, look, say suppose I don't have this pen up. Okay, and I straight away put x and y axis. What will happen? Run the program and see. Can you see this line? Can you see, students? From this point he has drawn a line and then he has drawn a square small. So I don't want this line. That's the reason I put pen up and I will run the program. Can you see? Perfect. So I require the second eye. So again I say pen up, go to motions, x and y axis. Okay, I say 25 because I go in positive because this is the center, that is the x and y axis. So I go this side, so I say 25 and y axis, that will be 125. Otherwise this will move up and down. Okay, it won't be in line. And then I go to pen and I say pen down. Okay, go to my blocks and call the block. Again it should be 720 only because both the eyes should be equal, no? Count also 4, angle also 4. Run the program. Perfect. Yes, now I have to draw nose. Come down. I need to draw nose. So I will draw triangles. Okay, again I say pen up. Okay, and I go to motions and I say x and y axis. I say minus 37, so I want to come somewhere here, this point I have to come. So I say minus 37 and y axis 70. Go to pen and I say pen down, call my block, go to my blocks, call my block. Okay, and the size I will give small size. Okay, I'll say 45. Count is 3, that is 3 sides, and how many angles? 3 angles. Okay, run the program and see. Perfect. Okay, and now what is remaining? Lips. So I will draw a small rectangle. Okay, but I have to make a new block because length and breadth is there. Okay, so go to my blocks and make a new block and I say rectangle. Give an input, length and breadth. Okay, and say okay. So I have two inputs. Okay, one is length and one is breadth. Fine. So I say go to motions and I say move. Move how many steps? So I will specify length and turn 90 degrees. Correct? Why I say 90? The angles of a rectangle is right angle, right? So it is basically 90 degrees. So again I say move. So now it is breadth, and I say turn 90 degrees. Okay. Then again move. Again move 10. Specify the length. Okay. And turn 90 degrees. Fine. Again move 10 steps, that is length, that is the breadth. Okay. And turn 90 degrees. Yes. So one side, second side, one side, second side. So opposite sides are breadth, opposite sides are length. So we finished coding for this block. Now I need to code. Okay. So I say pen up now, because from this point, can you see my sprite? Yes, from this point my sprite should come down here. So I say pen up. I go to pen and I say pen up. Okay, now I go to x and y axis, right? I go to x and y axis. Now I want to draw. So I want to draw it from here, correct? So I say minus 37, which is there. I say minus 47. I will just add 10. Okay, and y axis I will say 14. Okay, go to pen and say pen down, and I go to my blocks and close the script. So which script I require, shape or rectangle? I require rectangle, right? Because we are coding for rectangle. Perfect. So the length I give 70 and breadth I give 25. Correct? Opposite sides are equal of the rectangle, and I run the program and see. Perfect. If I want slightly rectangle smaller, so I will change it to 25 to 20 and run the program. Yes, still if you want, you can make it 15. Run the program. Perfect. Understood, students? Look at this code. Okay. Kindly practice this code. Okay. To do a robot shape. Thank you, students.